Angikhuluma ngedwa njengohlanya. Ngihamba nje kancane kancane ngithi ngikhuluma ngedwa njengohlanya. Imibuzo enginayo ethi 1, ayiwanda ubenzeni abangani bakhe baze badayise ngaye kanje. 1. 2, I feel like we're also missing the bigger picture as South Africans. Ukuthi u-Eskom usebenza abantu abaphilayo. Mina nje Ntombi enhle noma without revealing a lot ngami ngikuwo lo mkhakha obheka amabhuku. You understand? Uma ngibheka amabhuku, part of i-process engiyenzayo ukuthi nge-check ukuthi contract nomsebenzi ne-business need was it realized yini in the process and yonke into i-considered yini. Futhi angithi ama-tender ayabhidelwa. Ngiyabuka ukuthi was there a proper advertisement of a tender futhi why did we select this tender, but basically I get to the crux of that and I even go as far laba abanye abadila nemali, they even go as far as the money. You understand? Umuntu osebenza e-Eskom owa approve i-tender kalobhuti le. You understand leyo nto? Meaning I feel like we're missing the bigger picture. Ukuthi Eskom is in on this. Eskom is in on this. Meaning they co-signed, they agreed to buy those relays abiza from 150 to 300 rand for 50,000 rands. They agreed. They said everything is fine. They approved it. Why is no one going as far as deep as that? No makusasa eli awalahla amathemba. And nanzo-ke enye into eSouth Africa esengirealizile ngalama commission ahlalayo amosha imali yabakhokhi bentela njalo ngoba lama commission ahlala abantu abasuke bewaqalile bathole lento ade beyifuna bese kuphunywa kanjalo kithi ngoba lama commission ane mission behind. Uyazi ukuthi lana we are missing the bigger picture ukuthi u-Eskom ukholuda nama-tender, they agree ukuthi bazonikana lo 70 something million. They agreed to give him that money. Someone overlooked the tender process. Someone chose his paperwork. Kuthi ubene nginkampani ezu3, someone chose. Umbuzo uthi Eskom ekwazi ukukhokhela ama relay aka 150 ukhokhela u50,000 rand inye. How many other things is Eskom willing to pay for at an exorbitant price? Zingaki ke zingi ilahle ku Eskom lithenga ngamalini? If ama relay ilahle, which is the backbone and the engine of Eskom, ulithenga ngamalini? Ngikhumbula mina ke vele seningangishaya South Africa. Ngikhumbula ngesikhathi sikababa lo ya wenkohlakala enkulu. Lo ubaba lo wasenkandla. Niyakhumbula yini ukuthi one of the issues ayibhekane nayo in the failure of Eskom wa discover bathi Brian Molefe nabangani bonke nje lela qembu lakhe lithi la discover ukuthi badayisela ulahle limanzi. 1, 2, badayisela ulahle at an exorbitant price. Uyazi benza njani? Bakhatha out the middleman. Bathi wesibanibani ahamba yosigubhela ilahle lapha ubone ukuthi ungasidayisela ngamalini. Wathi usibanibani mina ngizon-charge for machinery, ngin-charge for transportation, ngin-charge for labor because ilahle is a natural resource. You understand leyo nto? Ngin-charge futhi maybe for mining, for me owning the mine or having mining rights at that time. You understand? But what imang calculator, and apparently the difference was so large ukuthi ithani lelahle ebelikade lidayiswa let's say ngo5 rand, lono wagcina sefakwa mhlabelwisaka wagcina elidayisa mhlambe ngo1 rand. You understand? This thing yaka Eskom corruption and state-owned entities in South Africa is nothing new. They are all in on it. Babanga ukuntshontsha. And umbuzo njoba ngizobuyela nje ngithi uma umuntu omnyama ekwazi ukuntshontsha kanje ka Eskom, I wonder ukuthi abelungu benzani bona. I wonder ukuthi abelungu benzani. Uma umuntu onethenda yama relay ekwazi ukudayisa irelay ka 300 rand ayidayise ngo50,000, abelungu ke laba abane machinery abadayisa inland ama valve phela i-industry operator ngeinto eziningi. I wonder how much money they are making. Ugesi wethu namuhla eSouth Africa ufailiswe ngamabomu, udura ngamabomu because why? U-Eskom udayisela izinto at an exorbitant price, but nakhona u-Eskom is in on it. U-Eskom ukholuda nama-tender ukubulala abantu base South Africa. I wonder benzeni baze bamhlinze kanje. And naye akananhliziyo, akayena umuntu akananhliziyo. Uwazi ukudla imali engaka. kwazi nje umuntu omnyama awushawa uvalo, umuntu awushawa uvalo benemizi ewu-17. Mhlawumbe ngoba ngaze ngize ngibe nayo imizi ewu-17 ngathi ngishawa uvalo guys nginesalary yami ngishawa uvalo ukuthi iyaphela. I wonder umuntu ohola imali encane kunami uphila ngani. I wonder people who earn less than me and nami ngihola into engekho ayinganelisi. I wonder abantu base South Africa baphila ngani. 17 houses.